Looking for a quick and easy way to improve hotel website conversions? Well, our flash message might just be the solution for you. Let's check it out. Once you enter the setup area of the guest-centric back office and select the shopping recovery option, you will see an area where you can add your flash message. Add a title for your pop-up. For this example, we've set up an eco-awareness package. Next, add the description for your offer. Make sure it's concise and catchy. Next, set a trigger for the pop-up. In this example, we have made it so that the online visitor will see the pop-up as soon as they land on your website. Finally, activate the pop-up. As you can see in the video, the guests will now see your promotion as soon as they land on your home page. If you would like to learn more about this amazing feature, don't hesitate to contact our team today. Thanks for watching!